Roy Tunt, Video Diary, Day 4, 1600 hours. Appropriate uses of pressure washer, PSI 37 or above. Well, the pressure washer is 800 bar, which means it's got a PSI of about 36 to 37. And that means it's ideal for cleaning things like pans, Wellington boots, stone surfaces. One thing to make sure that you do when you're using this, especially if you're cleaning bacteria, is to ensure there's some sort of detergent or other surfactant in the mix. The dog at the moment seems to be using my facility for its own ends and means. General defecation. Blockage. If you leave this in the bedding, it will simply cross-contaminate all your clean fibres. So what I'm going to do is simply just close it down to get the ears clean and to do the feet. In between the toes is quite important because another thing to make sure you do is clean the backside as well.